This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn JavaScript syntax step by step. We'll begin by understanding fundamental concepts. Start with basic data types such as strings, numbers, and booleans. Then, learn to declare variables using let, const, and var. Practice writing simple expressions and statements to build a solid foundation. This initial phase is crucial for grasping how JavaScript handles information. Next, we'll dive into controlling the flow of your programs. Master conditional statements like if, and else to make decisions. Explore loops, including for and while, to efficiently repeat actions. Finally, learn to define and call functions. They are essential for organizing your code into reusable blocks, making it much more manageable and readable. Now, let's explore how JavaScript handles collections of data. Learn to use arrays for ordered lists, which are perfect for storing multiple related items. Understand objects for storing data as key-value pairs, representing more complex entities. Practice accessing and modifying elements within both arrays and objects. These structures are fundamental for building any meaningful application. Finally, we'll touch upon some more advanced syntax features. Explore arrow functions for writing more concise function definitions, often saving several lines of code. Understand template literals for easier and more readable string manipulation, especially when including variables. Most importantly, consistently build small projects to apply all these learned concepts, reinforcing your understanding and skills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.